Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more moves in Candy Crush. To start, always understand the specific objective of your current level. Prioritize clearing any blockers, like chocolate or licorice, and focus on achieving your goals efficiently. Look for opportunities to create special candies, as these are key to clearing large sections of the board with fewer moves. Don't just make random matches. Think about the impact of each move. Harnessing the power of special candies is crucial for maximizing your moves. Combine 4 candies in a row or column to create a striped candy, which clears an entire row or column. Form 5 candies in a T or L shape to get a wrapped candy, exploding a 3x3 area. Matching 5 candies in a straight line gives you a color bomb, clearing all candies of a chosen color. Combining these specials creates even more powerful effects, saving you many precious moves. Strategic board awareness is vital for extending your gameplay. Before making any move, take a moment to scan the entire board for the best possible match. Try to anticipate cascading effects and potential future matches. Often, focusing your moves on the bottom of the board can create more cascades, leading to free matches and more special candy opportunities. Avoid making impulsive or random matches. Every move should have a clear purpose. Boosters can be your best friends when moves are scarce. Utilize pre-game boosters, such as the Lollipop Hammer or the striped and wrapped candy combination, to get a head start on challenging levels. You can earn in-game boosters through daily rewards, events, or by completing certain tasks. Remember to save your most powerful boosters for those truly difficult levels where you are just a few moves short. Playing strategically also helps you avoid running out of lives too quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.